My name is Sarah Renee, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some basic tips to beginner's crochet. So first things first, you're going to need some yarn. And what I have here is Deborah Norville's Premier Yarns in the color Baby Pink. And I do love this yarn because I like to make toys out of it. And what I usually make are dolls, fruits, veggies, flowers, and right now I'm in the process of making a unicorn with this type of yarn for my daughter. She's going to be 4 soon. So, you've got your yarn. Now you need a crochet hook. I highly suggest aluminum because you don't want to be like me and get the wooden kind and then accidentally snap it because your grip is so tight as a beginner. Now I do use wooden and bamboo crochet hooks now. However, when I was a beginner, I definitely snapped a couple in half. So aluminum, and I use Susan Bates, you'll see the brand on one side and then the size on the other, J10 6mm. And now I'm going to start you off with a slip knot. So you're going to grab the end of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger, your index finger right there, and with the long strand of yarn, crisscross over, then crisscross under, and then pull that yarn loop like the little bunny ear through, and then kind of shove this off your finger, and there you go, you've got a slip knot. And you can just take your hook and slip it right through that hook, whatever, loop, and then tighten it with the longer strand of yarn. Now you can take it off, and you can also just do it right directly on the hook, and then pull through, tighten it, and then pull. So those are your 2 ways that you can do a slip knot, and I'm going to start you off with the chain. And chains are usually CH in a pattern. Alright, if you're going to be reading any patterns in the future or writing your own, you're going to need to know CH means chain. So what you do is you keep the slip knot on the hook, take your yarn, wrap it around, pull through. That's your first chain. Do it again. Wrap it around, hook, pull through. Wrap it around, latch, pull through. So now you have 3 chains, and they're going to start looking like that. And I want you to do 13 of these. So you already have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And your chain is going to look like that. And it is also going to be the base for our project right now. Usually the chains are the basis for any project you start. However, there are exceptions, like magic rings and rounds and stuff like that. But we'll do that in a different video. Right now we're going to focus on chains and a couple other stitches. Now, I had you do 13, but we're only going to be working into 12 of them. What it says in a pattern is usually you, like let's say it would say chain 12. Now chain 1 more and turn. And sometimes they'll say that just so that way you understand you're only going to be working into the first 12 of those chains that you made. Because this is not going to be workable right now. So you see how I'm pulling this yarn in and out of that last chain there? That is the last chain. We want to go down to the second chain right here. I'll turn it on your side so that way you guys can kind of tell a little bit better. First chain, second chain. You're going to take your hook and push it through that loop right there. Latch on, pull through, and then pull through again. I'm going to start that over. So go to the second chain, push through, latch onto the yarn, pull through. Now I'm going to tighten all this up a little bit. And then you're going to pull that same loop through again. Now you only have 1 on. And that is called a slip stitch. It's going to be an SS in patterns. So we're going to do 2 more slip stitches. So you take your hook, you push through the second chain, or the next chain I mean, latch onto the yarn, pull through. You're going to have 2. Now latch onto that same loop, pull through again. One more time. We're going to take our hook, push through the next chain, latch on, pull through. You're going to have the 2, pull through again. Now you have 3 slip stitches, and that is what it should look like. It might be looser, it might be tighter, depending on how you're gripping, and eventually you're going to get a feel for it, and you'll figure out how you want it to be. Eventually, the more you practice, I promise it'll get easier. Now the second stitch I'm going to share with you is the single crochet. It's going to be SC, single crochet. And you're going to take your hook, go through the next chain, latch on, pull through. Now you have 2, and you're going to stop there because it's not the same as the slip stitch. You're going to wrap it, pull through those 2. I'll do it 2 more times. You're going to push through the next chain, latch onto the yarn, pull through. You're going to have those 2 loops. You're going to wrap your yarn, latch on, and pull through those 2 loops. Last one. Push through the chain, latch on, pull through, wrap, pull through. And this is what your single crochet will look like. So you can kind of see the difference between the slip stitches and the single crochet over here. Now on to the next stitch. I'm going to share with you how to do a half double crochet. HDC. Now you wrap around first, then you push into the next chain, latch on, pull through, and you're going to have 3 loops on your chain right now, or on your hook right now. Now take your yarn, wrap again, and pull through all 3. I'll do it 2 more times. Wrap, push through the next chain, latch, pull through, wrap, pull through all 3. Last one. Wrap, push through, latch, pull through, wrap, pull through all 3. And this is what your half double crochet will look like. Now you can start to see the difference between all 3. And last but not least is our double crochet. And that's going to be a DC in patterns. And you're going to wrap, then push through your next chain, latch, pull through. You're going to have all 3. Wrap and pull through only 2 this time. Wrap and pull through the last 2. Again, 2 more times. Wrap, push through the next chain, latch, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2 again. Last one. Wrap, push through the last chain, latch, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2 more, and there you go. Now you have your double crochet. Double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch, and the chain on the bottom. So you guys learned quite a bit today. Now these are the main stitches that you're going to have to know for sure if you are going to learn how to crochet. So there you go. Have fun practicing. Don't mind, pausing, rewinding, whatever you got to do, because I had to do that in the beginning too. And then this is what you call frogging. Thank you so much for joining me for the basics in beginner's crochet, and I will see you again soon. Bye.